Hello my friends, in today's video I'm going to test my brushless outrunner DC motor. As you see, it's a very powerful DC motor, brushless outrunner DC motor. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can make connections for your driver to the DC motor, and after that I'm going to make some tests on it, see the power and thrust of our DC motor. So first of all, let's see how we can connect our driver to our DC motor. You need to connect the red one to just here and the yellow one to middle and the black one onto the left. So the cable connections should be just like this. And after that, we have the second part of our driver. We need to connect this part, but just like this side of the this part, just connect here of our driver. Just connect here. Okay, and now we have to apply DC voltage to these two cables, the positive and the negative. You can apply 9 volt up to 15 or 18 volt. Today I am going to just apply 12 volt to my DC motor. So first of all, I am going to apply some voltage. I have my power supply here, 12 volt power supply. Just connect. See, first of all, for just show up without any propeller or anything, I'm just trying to run my DC motor. See, as you see, my friend, it's very powerful. Okay, now before I move on to a propeller, I'm going to put this plastic part to my DC motor and run with this one. By the way, there are 3 modes on our driver. You need to use the left one. This is manual. The others for drone or other complicated electronic devices, my friends. Okay. Okay, my friends, at this time I put a big propeller on this DC motor. Now we are going to test the power of our propeller. Maybe you couldn't see, but I just stabled the wood on the ground with piece of tape. Otherwise, the wood is we're going to fly. So we need to stabilize on the ground. So just connect again to our driver. As you see, when the motor overload and get very hot, it stops itself automatically. Okay, my friends, at this time I put everything on a scale. Now we are going to make a thrust test for our DC motor. Okay, my friends, as you see, the maximum power of our DC motor is about 260 grams. So it means that if you make a drone with this DC motor, it can lift up to 260 grams. Okay, we get the end of our video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself, my friends. See you in the next videos.